Lesson 1.7 is on simplifying, adding, and subtracting radicals. So I'm going to do number 4 for you, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so right off the bat, it doesn't look like any of these match, okay, because I have 3 square roots of 2, then I have 2 square roots of 54, and then I have 2 square roots of 3, and then a square root of 24. So right off the bat, it doesn't look like I have any like terms, but I need to break these down a little bit. So I get 3 square root 2 from this guy, okay? I can't pull any pairs out of the square root part. 54, though, if I were to break that down, is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, and you can check my math on that if you're curious. Okay, and since this is a square root, I'm going to circle any pairs of 2 that I have, and that's what gets pulled onto the outside. Okay, and then the leftovers are left inside, but don't forget that there was already a 2 on the outside. So how do I put those together? Through multiplying them. Okay, so what I'm going to write down here is it's going to be a minus 6 square root of 6. Okay, and double check your values. Double check that this guy right here, 2 square roots of 54, is the same as 6 square roots of 6. Okay, and then this 2 square root of 3 just gets brought down. And then I need to break 24 up, okay? And that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So I'm going to circle my pairs and pull one out. So this becomes a minus 2 because there's just a 1 on the outside, so it's just 2 times 1, and then there's a 6 underneath. So now that I've simplified each of the radicals, hopefully you can see that this negative 6 square root of 6 is a like term with negative 2 square root of 6. When I combine my like terms, I end up with 3 square root 2 minus 8 square roots of 6 plus 2 square roots of 3. And that's your final answer right there.